Hey YouTube, welcome back to Diva Styles. Yes, I'm coming to y'all with a late night video. Um, okay, now you guys know I told y'all that I love doing the buttons, which I did. I fell in love with the buttons so much to where I just been on a button spree lately. So I looked on Walmart, went on Walmart and seen that they had a badge a minute because, like I said, I wanted to do bigger buttons, but to switch out the molds on my button machine was like $100, and that was more than the machine itself, and I wasn't doing that. So I started doing research and looking it up, and there is something called a badge a minute, which I got from Walmart. I believe it was 25 or 29.99, 24.99 or 29.99, one of those. But this does what, 2 1/4 inch pins. It does the big old pins, you know, the vote for me pins. This does the really big pins. So I was like, why not? That's the size that I want anyway, so why not? Now I will say this is not really like a machine. It comes with a lot of parts that if you open it, and it looks very confusing. When I opened it, I was like, oh my god, what am I supposed to do with all of this? Like, it just looks confusing, and it just makes you not even want to try. But my husband tried it, and of course he aces my button machine. Like, he aces that. So of course he aced this too. So this is gonna be, I didn't even want to try this around him, y'all. I wasn't even gonna let him see me mess up. But I'm gonna try this with y'all. I have not tried this yet, but I'm gonna try this with y'all, and we're gonna see how this goes. It does include enough material and supplies to only make 10 buttons. So not that bad, but if you do want to order more supplies for this, I have a great site. I've ordered from them already, like I think a good 2-3 times, because like I said, I love buttons. Like, I'm just on a button thing right now. I don't know what it is. And they come with a few already made little labels and stickers. I told my husband, I said, I'll make this for you, and it's gonna be your Valentine's Day gift. And I said, you better wear it to work too. He talking about, I will. I'm gonna hold him to that. He better have that on his jacket too. Every customer's house he goes to, he better be wearing this pin right here. But okay, you guys. So I really don't know how to do this, so we about to have some fun with this. Okay, give me a second. Alright, y'all, I'm ready to do this. I'm a little nervous. Now, I'm going to tell y'all, if I mess up, y'all didn't hear nothing, y'all didn't see nothing. And I'm not telling my husband I messed up either. It's going to be a God star secret. He cannot beat me in a craft. He just can't. I can't let him do it. He can't be better than me in a craft. Okay. Now, like I said, this is my first time. So, bear with me. Okay. So, you got to take the blue piece, the blue ring right here, and what I do, okay, and your shell. This is the shell. So you're going to take the shell, and you're going to go ahead and place that in there, I guess. Okay, place it in there. Yeah, you place that in there, you get your image. Go ahead and take your image in there, and then it comes with the clear mylar. Did I take the mylar out? If I did take it out, it's clear, so I'm not even going to see what the heck I done did with the God star mylar. I'll just get another one. Okay, so you take your clear mylar. You're going to put that in there as well. And then the next thing that you're going to do is, like I said, it has a lot of pieces to it. So you're going to take the yellow piece right here. Now, just to let you know, before you put the yellow piece over it, it does have, I don't know if you guys can see it, some words right here. Words. A word. The word is top. And that lets you know where the top of, you know what, that lets you know where the top of your pen is. And mine is going to be upside down. So I just had to go ahead and put my top in place. That way my pen is not upside down and wonky and all of that. So I'm going to go ahead and put the yellow thing in place. Now, you don't want to put too much force on the yellow thing, whatever this is. But okay, so next thing you're going to want, wait, you guys. Okay, now after that, you flip it over, you get your purple ring, Ba-da. Drop that bad boy on down in there. Y'all, is this really a badge a minute? Like, does it really take a minute to do this badge? I don't know. I hope not. Okay. Then you get the green thing. And you're supposed to be doing this on the table. You get your green thing, and then you have to apply some force to it, and you got to push down. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this right here on the ledge. Ooh, let me move my cherry cola. Cherry cola is the best. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on the ledge right here and just apply some force to it. Bam, I heard the crunch. Did y'all hear that crunch? Y'all didn't hear that goddamn crunch. Bam. Okay, I know y'all heard it that time. Okay, that bad boy popped in place. I know y'all heard that. Okay, so you want to put pressure on it to where you hear it crunch, pop, whatever you want to call it. You know, snap, crackle, pop. Okay, so after you do that, you're going to want to take the green thing off. Take the purple thing out. Take the purple thing out. Take the purple thing out. Flip it over. Now you want to put the red thing on it. And you're going to push down again. Okay, I'm pushed down. I got it pushed down. Now you flip this back over and you put your backing in it. Now where's the top of it? Okay, that's the top of it. So I want to make sure this is lined up with the top of my badge on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and place that right there. And then this is where you get your handle. Do I put the green thing back over it? Yes, you put the green thing back over it. So now it's like you got a sandwich. You feel me? You got a sandwich now. And so you see that little dot right there? That's where you're going to place that little, I don't know what that is. You're going to place that. Can you guys see what I'm doing? Okay, you're going to place the little ranch looking thing right there in that dot in the middle, and then you want to go ahead and close it. I don't know if it's working. Ooh, I feel like I'm about to break it. Ooh, I think I broke it. Ooh, I think I broke it. And then that's supposed to be it. And I'm scared to look, y'all, because like I said, if I didn't do this right, y'all don't tell nobody. We ain't gonna speak of this ever again. All right, y'all. Oh, Jesus, I'm scared. How do I pop it out? Do I just push it? How you take it out? Oh. You guys, look, I did it. I did it. It's a perfect button. Look, I'm proud of myself. Ah! Okay. Y'all, I get crazy at nighttime. But look at that, you guys. It came out perfect. Look, there's nothing in the back. That was super simple. It seemed kind of complicated because it had a lot of steps to it. But all in all, y'all, it is a perfect button. So this is gonna be his Valentine's Day gift. And that's all. But yeah, that's the Badge Minute. I highly recommend it. It was very easy to do. It looks complicated, but it's not complicated, and like I said, it's very inexpensive also compared to the button machine. And this is also a great step if you want to sell the pins compared to the little button kit, you know, which does just does fabric pins, fabric buttons. That's all it does, fabric buttons. Y'all, I still got a big old box that I got back here. That box is full of hair. Cause y'all know I like my weave. I'm natural right now, but Mama about to put some yarn up in this. But yeah, so if you guys have any questions on the Badge Minute, please feel free to ask. And as always, you know, I will see you guys very soon. Hey, I had fun with this. Bye. Hold on, I gotta stop the movie. Okay, bye. I did it. I did it. I made it. He didn't do it. I did it. I did it.